Yawaha ena aban through the Ministry of Communications yemame Madam Esla Owusu Honorable watiano eyo mo aje se wo mo be virtual concerts so mo make ya virtual concerts no musicians be to say Dada KD Kwame Eugene Shatawale mo eko perform ye virtual concert na say now show ni wie ya na yenia ngrofo sha asese wo mo ka say Shatawale kra no yetua no 100,000 cedis for the show. A lot of websites Troy Kwame Eugene 40,000. Now proud to that no na Shatawale there one no there waka say aban efa ne say wo aban pese wo mu use no for coronavirus adwuma bia na e wo say aban etua ne ka asem a Shatawale there oka to ho no say eni kwan say wo beba bebo show free ama aban in the name of coronavirus. Nti aban ebeye show say ye application ye app coronavirus tracker app into ye launch near the virtual concert no Shatawale ba so no na Ghana phone ni nanim say by all means it Shatawale because Shatawale they wedding can say one bo free show ma buying during this corona season. Inti na ngrofo kan say Shatawale aje 100,000 na Ghana for mo mbeka sa he Shatawale ayade wa ayade omo mbeka say tia Shatawale so ka say tia ne say aden na yare aba awu ko jisika sei jesensem bebre wa wonim Ghana the assembly ya na nkrofo eka na Ministry of Communication na wo organize show no Minister Watiano Esla Owusu eba abonten ebeka say asem no enye ne kre wo bia jisika bia Shatawale mu ne Kwame Eugene mu eba ye no show no eye free into omo kan sa no Shatawale na nkasa so ebe ye live video Emma Shatawale na nkasa nso kan say show no eye free wanjiska bia inti Ghana phone ya yete ase say show no ya ye ne free but still na nseme kokwa ase say wo hwe lunch keka ye any application ye na yetua be 1.4 million Ghana cedis ena na nkrofo kan say application ne kra no application bia nhye da anya papa bia asa ade ne wo say yetua sika kese wa wonim Ghana for bibia ba ye beka na MP ebetina radio so na waka ma prove say say minister no ka se we ntia sika bia wo boa no MP no wonimpa say Shatawale 100,000 wonimpa say Kwame Eugene 40,000 Lucky Mensa muni akoye wonim say wo moje 10,000 Dada KD mu nso koye wo moje 5,000 che say MP ne bobo ni na na Captain Smart here na dwen say okay me a journalist I was say me ye me ankasa me hwehwemu na me hwe before then the crano na Adom FM for omo entertainment journalist bia wono nso watete nsem bia wono nso confirm say ne kre ministry no etia musicians yi but as wo mo pese wo mo dada Ghana for na tese wo mo ka say Ghana for ye ntia hwe because omo nim say Ghana for tia ye bubefu nti MP ne be kan wie ye no na Captain Smart Fred Dada KD ena wo bisa no ena Dada KD ka say ne kra ne say yese wo mo eboa wono Dada KD wokobo also no ye ka say na nko perform 10 minutes na so wokọ ye no ye na ye ma no about 5 minutes pe ena wo de perform ye ne kra ne say wan bobo ba wo wie ye no ye pe bibi ma no but bibi na ye pe ma no wontumi enka entudwa na tre say indeed Dada KD a confirm say ye mo muska ba wo say sa bibi na ye de ma wo mo no wontumi embo but na Captain Smart any MP na wo be susu asem ne ho check Captain Smart no waka check Captain Smart say Dada KD no ye man 5,000 but Dada KD the osisi no one year the one boss but he confirmed on radio say yes ye pay bibi ma wo mo ye pay sika bi den ema wo mo nti aho na Adom FM for entertainment journalist and entertainment team eba abonten ebeka say wo mo nso hwehwemu a wo mo aye no Ministry of Communication na maska na wo hwe wo mo a na mo ka organizers ne ho a so kritsafo mu ni nina hyehyaase na wo mu nina initially kra wo mu susu ho tre nkrofo se ane shatawale gise wo mu hu ze Ghana fo ebubefu no mo ahye da ba abonten ye beka se obia angiska enti ho na Captain Smart e dey assembly be see radio so a wo ka se ye ne saa ene enye ye se wo obia ye adwuma na wo chia skama no adan na minister e wo se wo betena radio and a minister wo be ye video because your interview no and the minister was on your video e da Ghana for ni na say one man crofo we ska because when him say Ghana for be react say adena Shatawale ko ball show for just this amount of minutes sebe performance ne kra no mo anya stage ni papa mo anya buye na mo command sika say omu ni say Ghana for e be complaining ti no asemo a Captain Smart can say minister no we ndi ne kra ye be ya ni say minister no aba bonten aba reply na wutie nsem a wono nso ato ama Captain Smart na obo say yes. We say government of Ghana did not pay any peswa to anyone for either the COVID-19 tracker app or the virtual concert to launch it. We say I don't know what he ate, drank or smoked, but I have not received any money from anyone for this or been given an invoice to pay. There is no Nokofio on my watch. Chew on it. Dear Walker, dear Eslawus Eka and say, Wonim Captain Smart no say be eduania wokodi yansa wo be yes a show no. Wonim ensa wokonom yansa wo be yes a show na wonim dear Captain Smart say be prejuasa wokwa hye ansa wo be yes a show no. Na wono Eslawus dear Walker and say, government of Ghana wo mo ntia sika bia ma musician bia even for the application say app na nkrofo ne ye no you say app no nkrofo ne ye ni free no mo de chair government of Ghana asemo a minister na air canon no and la musicians ne so launch na bo mo be launch ye no wo mo ye ni free inti wo no minister ne de wo sika bia ni beebi a wo yi ye edema wo bi asemo a esla air canon no na wo wie ye enoka say someone should please tell Captain Smart that I return his curses on me to sender. He and his family will suffer, not me. I don't lie. And for those who find it hard to believe or are hard of hearing, let me repeat it again. Dear Walker, and it's a one say Captain Smart take us and the Captain Smart can say how eba o mine mu na mo politicians no mo adwen say mo de fa ho ewiaska ana mo de fa ho eyusu Ghana ska na mo wie abetwa yen a mo yusu yesika ne ntra ye no me na wo de ba wo ene webusuanfo so eho ena wasa wo so e kan se wo bi enko kanche Captain Smart say no me na wo no Captain Smart de to ono esla wo so no esla wo so say what they to back to Captain Smart ene nebusuanfo na wo se wo no esla wo so no enya dia wo twantro o say she doesn't lie na wo mo a mo pese mo be believe no mo asem na wo repeat biom she doesn't lie. I say by the way the app has been approved for download on both the App Store and Play Store. Apple device users can now download it, answer the simple questions and provide their addresses and phone numbers to help the Ghana Health Service track, trace, test and treat suspected cases of COVID-19 expeditiously with digital technology. It is digitime in Ghana and time for digicare. In some work and no. Now, as a computer scientist, I have a degree in computer science from KNUST. Yes, I have a degree in computer science from KNUST. Now, I also develop softwares. I develop softwares, my websites. So what software be I say who develop it, you can reach out to me. Websites, Android, Apple, software be web application be I also develop them. Now, from my view and a lot of experts who have actually used this application Ghana ye launcher ye di ye hu kwa no asem ewo ho asem bebre wo ho sa application no wan ka sa wa download ya obehu ne say enhye da anye we bi asa ye wo ade bi a ye friend Microsoft Forms similar because application way what you do is say you just fill your information even you create software and you will be a friend validation in the sense say you find say let me give you an example you find say abia o ko fill form phone and internet so na form na o ko fill phone and internet so no you say trowudin ho in natural sense no will be any wa abia ne din numbers wom into you create software and you will be a friend of validation. So you validate that input form in the sense will be a typing numbers or more. It will not accept it. Obe send a message a man if I can say Dabi, I have say would dean any person we then outro. But what typing numbers and then your friend validation. And I say who provide the form so will be entry on the age. Now age na the pakono outro no will throw numbers are. Obviously, unim say will be anyone the age numbers. Ebi I see throw age na wa control a inti ye obi be friend validation ebe ka se dabi sa form na ye say type your age no number na wo say wo throw ewom using sa app we aban can say COVID-19 tracker no I think say they have a problem with the validation in the sense say one BBT say you need to make sure say people don't come with duplicate inputs. You find say me my baba betro melodies na my betro melodies TV say me din ye melodies TV na ma throw me age na ma throw baby am free na ebia ma throw baby am go school na ma throw bibia ma throw me info ni na no ebia enye me pen ye friend me melodies TV e wo Ghana ha say but my age my date of birth the school I went to it will provide a unique identity for me and me only. But this particular way, it accepts multiple entries from one person in the sense that who can fill a form now you see details near now also can fill it as a new person now you see details near now and send no notification say what fill the forms near we and what fill the forms near the data. You understand what I'm saying? And what you say Twitter. You find say me call Twitter na me de me info e create account. Na me san so person me create different account na me use that same info now Twitter better me say that be me create accounts that because watch me info no watch me first info so this is the same thing but this one it accepts that multiple people registering and all and I think say yes there is something with the validation and the app is very very normal it's senya na yen ni efi say app no ye we no it's just about filling forms no app no it is just about filling forms so dey no betumi dey WhatsApp WhatsApp bots na crofo use no obetumi no cry these kind of things and no cry be effective ati ase nti ade a eda ho no me pese mu ni amo kire mu adwen e wo comment box ni mu me da ase